Fish can be used to localize chromosomes or specific regions on the chromosome, and can be used to study both balanced translocations, unbalanced translocations, and fish can be used even to select deletion or amplification of specific genes or regions on the chromosome. Fish can be done on the whole metaphase, and as of now, different colored fluorochromes are available for each chromosome type, and this is known as chromosome paints. And you can see the whole metaphase as a brilliantly colored different chromosomes with different colors. And this is known as multicolor fish. Multicolor fish is not used all the time. Instead, individual chromosomes of our interest are taken, and two fluorochromes, which is usually red and green, are used for most of the analysis these days. These can be used for amniotic cells, where you can take amniotic fluid, and either cultured or uncultured amniotic fluid cells can be subjected to fish analysis. Here we are showing you a fish analysis done with chromosome 13, 18 and 21 chromosome probes. In the first, you see the metaphase with this. Next, you see a karyotype of this. Third, you see an interphase nucleus with this. And this indicates prenatal diagnosis showing normal for trisomy 13, 18 or 21. So, the amniotic fluid which we have obtained is normal for Edwards, Patau's and Down syndrome. In this slide, you will see that there are 3 red signals, 2 blue and 2 green. The red indicates chromosome 21, and thereby it indicates trisomy 21 or Down syndrome. On the left is the tetraploid cells, where you see multiple signals suggesting that there is abnormality, where there is duplication of more than one type of chromosomal region. We can do fish in pre-implantation genetics when you do assisted reproductive techniques, where these chromosomes can be tested prior to implanting the cell in the assisted reproductive technology or IVF.